Hello. What are you doing there?
Huh?
What are you doing there, mister?
Tuning through the bands.
Cool. Are you?
Yeah, looking for shortwave pirates.
Arr, pirates.
And what are you doing?
Recording on the camera. Look at all the weed pipes and all of us. Weed. Look at all that weed. What's
Be careful,
I know.
There's a cool song for you.
What?
Almost.
There we go. Yeah. Dork. You're a dork. Can you go get your torch?
Why'd you run out?
Ran out, fuel. I gotta refill this bad boy. Thank you. You want some? No. You want to be so good, Johnson. That's a good one. This is the last of it. Okay, what? The Girl Scout? So much wind. So, I'm gonna take one hit.
Me?
Yeah. You can take off the small one if you want.
Okay.
I mean, you don't have to.
Yeah, I can still mow the lawn if I'm just a little stoned.
Well, personally, I'm stoned. Alright. Here you go. Take first hit. Ooh. You call that a little stone, mister?
Okay, that happened.
Sorry.
That was weird. It made the radio glitch out.
I know. Sorry about that. Going for a small one. Me, or does it look like it's gonna rain?
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain. You still recording? Look, this camera is so old that megapixels were a selling point.
Oh yeah?
It says megapixel on the side.
Nice. Oh, something.
That was a weird sound, yeah.
That's like communicating through tone.
Like somebody... 11490,
Which is?
that's the frequency.
Done! Yeah, I see you. I see you. I see you.
You know what that sound is?
What?
I think it's every time Pampachu sends a message.
Really?
Yeah,
How can you tell?
because the sound it makes.
Well, why don't you go and check real quick?
So, if anything, that's Wi-Fi that I'm on.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Psst. Psst. It looks so intense.
It gets clearer the further I go.
So yeah, you think you're on you think you're on there?
Huh?
You think you're on the Wi-Fi?
Uh-huh. It's weird. Let's see what else there is.
Calories. Dude, this thing, like when you zoom in, oh, you can read what's on it.
Yeah. It has a 10 times zoom.
Yeah, it says Sunkissed Lemonade. Turn it around.
Turn what around?
The can. Okay. This is going to be all the way on it with 40 times. Amount per serving, calories 140, serving in one can.
You're shitting me. You can see that?
Yeah. I can see total fat 0 grams, daily percent value 0%. Sodium is 160 milligrams. Not bad. 7%. 0 protein, 34 grams of sugar. 1-866-374-6567 for consumer comment. Please recycle. Sunkiss.com. Yeah, I can read all that from you.
It's a good camcorder.
That's 40 times I think that was.